To ensure any process adjustment to your pneumatic system is effective and correct, there are 5 steps you can take. First, eliminate unnecessary adjustments wherever you can. One way is to use pressure regulators that you can lock into position. Next, specify components with built-in automation capabilities to remove human error from the equation. Step 3 is to monitor and detect any process statuses that may be affected by process adjustments. If you do need to make manual adjustments, be sure to use numerical scales so that the adjustments are consistent. And lastly, pick components with red and green indicators, which offer a quick and easy way to validate your processes.